Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to my channel. Today I'm going to just do a quick video on my fascia boards. These are 2x12s that I will be putting on the trim up on the roof there all around the building. Instead of staining them, I'm actually burning them. I love the look of this, but also at the same time, it's really cheap to do because a big propane bottle goes a long ways. I know the cost of stain or paint has gone through the roof. I bought a 1 gallon thing of paint to do a fence, and it was $100, and after 3 panels I was done the container, so that was enough of that. There's no way I'm gonna do that to my house. So we live up here in the north in Canada, and as if everybody knows of what's going on in the news, this is the worst fire season ever, and so by burning all the wood on the exterior of my building, I'm gonna just have another layer of protection, making it less likely to catch fire. And I also like the look of it, and I'm going to save thousands and thousands of dollars. So just wanted to let you guys know there is another option. Instead of staining, if you're doing this on an exterior of a building, it makes it look really cool. I'm going with a total black charred look. I've done tables where you can just do it lightly like this and just pick up the grain. You can see that the grain just pops out, and then I just put a protective clear varathane over top of that, and it makes a really cool tabletop, and it's protected as well. So that is another option. As you can see, you can just, whatever kind of grain you're looking for, just depends on how much heat. You do have to make sure you're not spending too much time in one spot, otherwise it does get spotty. But for this, we're letting it burn good, and we're looking for just a charred black look for the fascia boards. So anyways guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to show you in the next video all the fascia boards up. They're going to look awesome. 2x12s. Makes it look really really dresses up all the corners, hides all the woodwork around the edging, because we had to do 6 layers of insulation on the roof. So anyways guys, thanks again. Subscribe, like, and we'll see you on the next one.